Most people who can't sleep at night are doing one thing that slowly hurts their kidneys, and they don't even know it. You lie in bed tired, eyes closed, but your brain just won't shut up. So you try supplements, teas, maybe even pills. But here's the problem. A lot of things people take to sleep better can quietly put stress on their kidneys over time. That's the part nobody talks about. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 vitamins that help you sleep better while also protecting your kidneys. Not random supplements, not trendy stuff. These are vitamins your body already understands, and when used the right way, they help your sleep without forcing your kidneys to work overtime. If you care about falling asleep faster, staying asleep longer, and not damaging your kidneys in the process, you need to hear this before you take your next supplement. Number 1, vitamin D. Do you ever wake up exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? Do you lie in bed tossing and turning, wide awake at midnight, wondering why your body just won't rest? The surprising culprit might not be your mattress or your bedtime routine. It could be your kidneys. And one nutrient, vitamin D, plays a bigger role than most people realize. Vitamin D isn't just for strong bones. It helps your body absorb calcium, supports nerve and muscle function, and surprisingly, it's crucial for healthy sleep. When vitamin D levels are low, your body may struggle to produce enough melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain it's time to slow down and sleep. Without enough melatonin, your brain keeps running, making it hard to fall asleep, stay asleep, or wake up feeling fully rested. That's why many people with low vitamin D feel drained during the day, yet restless all night, tossing, turning, or waking up too early. Your kidneys aren't just filters for waste. They are also responsible for activating vitamin D so your body can actually use it. Think of vitamin D as a light bulb. Your kidneys provide the electricity. Without healthy kidneys, the light is dim or may not turn on at all. In people with chronic kidney disease, especially stage 4 or 5, the kidneys lose their ability to activate vitamin D effectively. Even if blood tests show sufficient vitamin D from food or supplements, the body may still be deficient in the active form. This deficiency can lead to bone pain, muscle weakness, nighttime cramps, poor sleep, and stress on the entire body. One of the most powerful benefits of vitamin D is its ability to support sleep naturally. Unlike sleep aids that force your body into rest, vitamin D works quietly behind the scenes. It helps nerves function properly, relaxes muscles, lowers inflammation, and allows your body to fully settle down at night. Studies show that people with low vitamin D often sleep less and experience more sleep disturbances, particularly older adults and those with kidney disease. Vitamin D is also safe for your kidneys when used correctly. In fact, it can reduce complications from kidney disease, such as weak bones or muscle pain that disrupt sleep. But proper dosing is essential. Taking excessive amounts without guidance can raise calcium levels too high, potentially causing further kidney damage. For individuals with advanced kidney disease, healthcare professionals may prescribe a special active form of vitamin D that does not rely on the kidneys to activate it. This form can be taken as a daily pill or an injection during dialysis, helping the body gain the benefits of vitamin D without putting extra stress on damaged kidneys. For people with mild kidney problems or normal kidney function, regular vitamin D supplements can still be very helpful. Taking them with a meal containing healthy fats like olive oil, eggs, or fish improves absorption. Most people do best taking vitamin D in the morning since it can increase alertness if taken late at night. Regular blood tests are important to ensure that vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus levels remain balanced, especially for anyone with kidney concerns. Vitamin D works best when combined with simple lifestyle habits such as getting natural sunlight, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, and avoiding bright screens late at night. Together, these habits help your body feel safe enough to rest deeply instead of staying in a stressed, alert state. Vitamin D is not a quick fix for sleep, but that's exactly why it is so effective. It supports the systems that regulate sleep while respecting the limits of your kidneys. For anyone seeking better sleep without risking kidney damage, vitamin D is not just helpful, it is foundational. That is why it deserves the #1 spot on this list, providing support for your sleep, bones, muscles, and overall kidney health in a way that few other nutrients can match. Number 2. B vitamins. B vitamins play a quiet but crucial role in keeping your body balanced, especially when it comes to sleep and kidney health. Unlike supplements that target one problem, B vitamins work together as a team to support energy, nerve function, and red blood cell production. Folic acid, or B9 and B12, known as cobalamin, are particularly important for making healthy red blood cells. When these vitamins are insufficient, anemia can develop, reducing the body's oxygen-carrying capacity. The result is constant fatigue, cold hands and feet, shortness of breath, and nights spent tossing and turning instead of sleeping deeply. For people with kidney disease, anemia is common, and it can make already difficult sleep even more elusive. Maintaining adequate levels of B9 and B12 helps the body sustain proper oxygen delivery, which in turn supports calmer nights and more restorative sleep. Other B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and B7, are essential for converting food into usable energy. At first, that might seem counterproductive for sleep, but daytime energy production is critical. If the body struggles to make energy efficiently, the nervous system stays on high alert, leading to symptoms like restless legs, tingling sensations, racing thoughts, or waking multiple times during the night. By keeping nerves healthy and communication between the brain and body clear, these vitamins help the nervous system transition from active mode during the day to rest mode at night. B6 in particular supports the creation of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, which later transforms into melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain to sleep. Without enough B6, this process slows, making it harder to fall asleep or stay asleep. B1 and B12 also protect nerves directly, reducing nighttime discomfort or numbness that might otherwise interrupt rest. One of the most significant advantages of B vitamins is their compatibility with kidney health. Most B vitamins are water-soluble, meaning the body absorbs what it needs and safely excretes the excess through urine. This makes them gentler on the kidneys compared to fat-soluble supplements, which can accumulate over time. People with kidney disease, especially those undergoing dialysis, often lose B vitamins during treatment. For this reason, healthcare professionals frequently recommend B-complex supplementation. Replacing these vitamins can improve daytime energy, support nerve function, and enhance overall well-being without placing extra strain on the kidneys. Maximizing the benefits of B vitamins requires attention to timing, dosage, and nutrition. They are generally most effective when taken in the morning or early afternoon, as consuming them too late can increase alertness at night. Balanced B-complex supplements, or individually prescribed vitamins, are usually more effective than high-dose as merger supplements, particularly for those with kidney concerns, since excessive intake of B3 or B6 can cause complications. Adequate iron, protein, and a consistent eating schedule further enhance their effects. Providing the body with steady nutrition ensures B vitamins can work properly, supporting energy during the day and calmness at night. When combined with sleep-friendly habits, dimming screens, keeping a regular bedtime, and managing light exposure, the positive impact on sleep quality becomes even more pronounced. Unlike sleeping pills that force the body into rest, B vitamins act gently, optimizing the systems that govern energy, nerve signaling, and oxygen flow. They help the body relax naturally, promoting deeper, more restorative sleep. For anyone seeking better sleep, improving daytime energy, and kidney-friendly support, B vitamins are more than just supplements. They are essential allies in maintaining balance, supporting nerve and blood health, and enabling the body to perform at its best, both day and night. By providing consistent support for nerves, blood production, and energy pathways, they create the foundation for healthier sleep cycles and overall vitality. When incorporated correctly into a daily routine, along with good nutrition and sleep habits, B vitamins quietly restore equilibrium, helping the body function smoothly while respecting the limits of the kidneys. They are a gentle, effective, and reliable way to improve sleep quality, maintain energy, and support long-term kidney and nervous system health, making them an indispensable part of a comprehensive wellness plan. If this is helping you so far, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. And if you have any questions or personal concerns, drop them in the comments below and I'll read through them. Number 3. Vitamin C. Following the support of vitamin D for hormones and B-complex for nerves, Vitamin C steps in to manage the stress and inflammation that can keep your body awake at night. Most people associate vitamin C with colds, but its role in sleep and kidney health goes much deeper. It helps your immune system fight infections and repair tissue, but it also acts like a calming agent inside your body. When stress or inflammation is high, your sleep becomes shallow and fragmented. You might fall asleep but wake up often, feel tense, or never reach truly restorative rest. Vitamin C works behind the scenes to reduce that internal tension, signaling your nervous system that it's safe to relax. One of the key ways vitamin C supports sleep is by influencing cortisol, the body's stress hormone. Normally, cortisol should decline in the evening, letting the body wind down. But chronic stress, illness, or kidney problems can keep it elevated, leaving your mind alert and your body restless. Studies have shown that vitamin C can help lower cortisol levels, allowing your nervous system to receive the all-clear signal for rest. When cortisol drops, falling asleep becomes easier. Staying asleep becomes more natural, and the reliance on strong sleep aids is reduced. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant, acting like a cleanup crew for the body. It neutralizes harmful free radicals, particles that accumulate during illness, poor diet, or chronic disease, and lowers oxidative stress. People with kidney issues often experience higher oxidative stress, which can worsen inflammation and interfere with sleep. By cleaning up these internal stressors, vitamin C protects kidney function and improves sleep quality at the same time. Research suggests that it may also help reduce markers of inflammation in chronic conditions, indirectly supporting deeper, more stable sleep cycles. When it comes to kidney protection, moderation is essential. Vitamin C is water-soluble, meaning your body uses what it needs and safely excretes the rest. This makes it gentler than many supplements that can accumulate over time. Very high doses taken continuously, however, may increase the risk of kidney stones, particularly in individuals with kidney disease. The key is balance. Steady, moderate intake from food or supplements works best, providing support without overloading the kidneys. Vitamin C strengthens immunity, promotes healing, and reduces inflammation, all of which reduce the stress burden on your kidneys. Fewer infections and lower chronic inflammation translate into less strain on your body and better sleep quality. This makes vitamin C a dual protector, supporting both rest and kidney health. Timing and combination matter. For most people, taking vitamin C earlier in the day or in the late afternoon is ideal, since it can be mildly energizing. Obtaining vitamin C from fruits and vegetables is usually safest, especially for those with kidney concerns. If supplements are used, moderate doses spread throughout the day are better than one large megadose. Pairing vitamin C with other healthy habits. Hydration, balanced nutrition, stress management maximizes its effects. When combined with vitamin D, which supports hormones, and B-complex, which supports nerves and energy, vitamin C helps create an internal environment conducive to natural restorative sleep. Vitamin C doesn't act like a sleeping pill. It doesn't knock you out. Instead, it quietly removes the barriers that prevent deep rest, stress, inflammation, and immune strain, allowing your body to settle into a calm, restorative state. For anyone looking to improve sleep while protecting their kidneys, vitamin C is not just helpful, it's essential. Taken correctly and integrated into a balanced routine, it creates the foundation for healthier sleep, reduced stress, and stronger kidney and immune function, quietly working behind the scenes to help your body function at its best, day and night. When you look at the big picture, better sleep doesn't come from forcing your body to shut down. It comes from supporting the systems that are already there. Vitamin D helps regulate sleep hormones while respecting the limits of your kidneys. B vitamins support your nerves, energy, and blood health, so your body can stay calm at night instead of stressed and restless. And vitamin C lowers inflammation and stress, helping your body feel safe enough to fully rest. None of these vitamins are quick fixes on their own, but together and used the right way, they help create sleep that feels deeper, steadier, and more natural, without putting extra pressure on your kidneys. The key takeaway is simple. The goal isn't just to sleep more, it's to sleep better while protecting your long-term health. Small, smart choices with the right vitamins can make a real difference over time, especially if you're already thinking about kidney health. Watch the next video.